Hi, in this session we are going to attempt some problems related to value of a polynomial. Our first question, if m cube plus 2m plus a, its value is 12 for m is equal to 2, then find the value of p of 2. P of m equal to m cube plus 2m plus a, and its value is 12 for m is equal to 2. That means p of 2 equal to 12. Then find the value of a. Already given that p of 2 is equal to 12, that is equal to p of 2 from p of m, 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus a, 8 plus 4 plus a. P of 2 is equal to 8 plus 4 plus a. Already given p of 2 is equal to 12. That means 8 plus 4 plus a is equal to 12. That implies from here the value of a is equal to 12 minus 12 equal to 0. P of m is m cube plus 2m plus a, and the value of p of m, where p of 2 is equal to 12. Given that p of m is equal to m cube plus 2m plus a, and its value is 12 for m is equal to 2. That is p of 2 is equal to 12. Using that we find the value of a. Our next question is, p of x is equal to 2x square minus 5 root 3x plus 5. Find the value of p of 5 root 3. From here directly we can write p of 5 root 3 equal to, in place of x substitute 5 root 3, that is 2 into 5 root 3 square minus 5 root 3 into x. Value of x is 5 root 3 plus 5, that is equal to 2 into square of 5 root 3 is square of 5 into square of root 3. Square of 5 is 25 into root 3 square 3 minus 5 root 3 into 5 root 3. 5 into 5, 25 into root 3, 3 plus 5. 2 into 25 into 3 is 150 minus 25 into 3 is 75 plus 5, that is equal to 80. If p of x is 2x square minus 5 root 3 x plus 5, then the value of p of 5 root 3 is 80. Consider one more example. If p of x is equal to 5x plus 2, then find the value of p of 2 plus p of minus 2 minus p of 1. P of x is given. Then first find the value of p of x is 5x plus 2. First find the value of p of 2. P of 2 is, place of x substitute 2. 5 into 2 plus 2, that is equal to 10 plus 2, that is equal to 12. Next is p of minus 2. 5 into minus 2 plus 2. 5 into minus 2 minus 10 plus 2. Minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8. Let's find the value of P of 1. P of 1 is equal to 5 into 1 plus 2. That is 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So, the value of P of 2 plus P of minus 2 minus P of 1 equal to P of 2 is 12 minus 8, P of 1 is 7, P of 2 plus P of minus 2 is minus 8 minus P of 1 is 7, that is equal to 12 minus 8 minus 7 equal to minus 3. To find the value of a polynomial, we substitute the variable by the number. Then easily we can find out the value of polynomial, and using that concept we can easily solve the problems related to value of a polynomial. Thank you.